Coaching is the second fastest growing industry in the world today, next to IT. And since 2016, we are generating a double-digit growth in this industry. And it's expected to continuously grow for the next years to come. With the growth in AI and the development that we are seeing right now in technology, people are asking, many are asking in our industry, can we still sustain the growth that we are having at this moment in time? Well, the answer is yes. If you are new to coaching, if you are on the bay and still thinking if coaching will last or survive the AI movement at this season in our lives, the answer is perfectly yes. The question is not really if life coaching can survive or coaching will continue to grow, but the question is how will you grow in this profession? And if you're raising your hand, if you're interested to know that, then this episode is perfect for you. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing because we're still on a runway of our 100 Days Life Coaching Toolkit Mastery Challenge. And today's toolkit is niching, perfect niching. So why niching? Because if you want to survive in this industry, if you want to do this as a profession, if you want to do this as a business, then you're supposed to know how to nail your niche. Now, you can download the toolkit. You can snag the toolkit for free for a limited time offer. Use it to start, grow, and scale your business. And make sure that when you use the toolkit, you use it responsibly. Let's dive in. Welcome back to our 100 Days Life Coaching Toolkit Mastery Challenge. We are now on day 82. And today's conversation is about coaching business and niching. Now, a lot of people are joining the bandwagon of coaching. So when I started the profession in 2017, so just in case we are meeting for the first time, I am Master Coach A, and I've been in the profession since 2017, and I've been helping individuals to become professional certified life coach. And in Life Coach Philippines, we train, we coach, and we help people build their tribes. Now, a lot of people would be asking, is there really money in coaching? Can you really make money as a life coach? Can coaching replace your day job? Can you really switch? And the answer is yes. Can you grow? Can you thrive? And can you really have coaching as your main source of income? The answer is yes. Now, it's unfortunate that a lot of people are not making money in coaching, and a lot of people are also, I'm a witness to that, a lot of people are also entering the profession and exiting the profession too soon. Now, based on statistics, coaches who enter the profession, either they tried it, they attended a training, they get certified, or they are using their expertise and they started coaching people one-on-one. Based on statistics, coaches are exiting the professions between 3 to 6 months after entry. And they will start feeling that the market is dry and or they're not ready for it. So what's the thing with coaching? Now, let's set the record straight. There's money in the profession. It's a very lucrative profession. Second fastest growing industry in the world. And when I entered the profession in 2017, the average per hour rate of a coach is already at $200. Today, it's about $350 to $500 per hour. That's per hour. And if you are in the country, if you are from the Philippines, you would say, is there really people paying that amount of money? The answer is yes. Okay. So I am a living example. I am a testimony of that. And I tell you, there is really money in coaching. So it's not a question if there is money in coaching. It's not a question if you can grow successful in life coaching. It's not even a question if you can continue to thrive in life coaching despite the growth in AI. That's not the question. The question is, how do you get started in the profession? And when I say, how do you get started in the profession, it means, how are you going to build up coaching as part of your income stream? So Are you going to be doing uh, life coaching as a side hustle, or are you going to be doing life coaching as a real source of your income flow? So these are the conversations that you probably is thinking, how do you know, and how do you define it, and how do you get started? Now, the toolkit for today is perfect niching. So it's gonna allow you to stress test the market or the niche that you want to enter in the market. So I will be in the toolkit, there are questions, and based on the questions, there are 7 categories. Okay. So these questions that you will answer, and your answers would fall into 7 categories, or it will answer 7 questions about profitable niching. And those questions are, that's the niche that you're looking into solve a very specific problem. Do you have a specific targeted kind person in mind, like a person who have this, and this? So do you have that? The kind of niche that you're looking and targeting, can you identify a specific person, like real person that you can call, you can have conversations, or you can reach out? Is the niche that you're looking at um, is a group of people uh, that actively looks for solutions? So a niche may probably, you identify a particular niche as an opportunity because you can see the gap. But the question is, are they actively seeking solution? And can you easily reach these people? Is there like an opportunity or an open door for you to reach them? And of course, you need to look into, do you have enough numbers of people that you can serve? And can you actually sustain the business? Now, the problem with niching is that it can change, right? It can be modified, it can be improved, it can evolve over time. Now, and with that, a lot of coaches feels it's an overwhelming, or they can put it aside and do it later on in life. Now, the the overarching thing here is, more than the niche, is you have to make a decision. What kind of coaching business are you gonna be putting up? So are you doing coaching full time? Are you doing coaching part time? Are you looking at coaching to replace your regular source of income? Regardless of that decision, regardless of the path that you want to take, you need to understand that there are 3 types of business that you can get started, or you can choose. Like, there are 3 types of business model, and the that choice, okay, of what business model will you take will define your success in coaching. So the first kind of business that you can build in coaching is the copycutting. Okay, so what's the copycutting or speed prototyping thing? Is that you see a coaching business that's thriving and getting the results that you want, and what you do is you study the business and prototype and copy exactly what they do. That's one type of business model. And I've seen a handful of coaches do that. Another type of business is what I call the cookie cutter. It means what exactly they're doing is you are duplicating it. You are making a cookie cut of that. So if they're offering this kind of program, you offer a mirror of that program. Okay? If they are taking this path, you take that path as well. Mirror a cookie cutter. So some would copy the entire business, and this copycat copying and then prototyping, and they inject their own strategies after they prototype, okay, the model business. The other is an exact, so the cookie cutter. Now, both business model will not make you last in the industry. You probably get some money, you probably get some business, or probably get to take off, but that would not be sustainable. Now, I'd like you to take a look at the other business model, which is the third, and that's going to be something that will work, is the true north. Now, building your business based on your true north will allow you to build a business based on who you truly is, your superhero, or your superpower, your life experiences. It will also give you the opportunity to build your coaching business based on your altruistic why and your selfish why. Now, this kind of business, this true north, okay, this kind of business that is based on your true north takes time to build, takes time to mature. It takes time to give you the money that you want. So this is not something that happens overnight. This is not something that you can rush. This is not sprint. This is marathon. But the thing here is, when you build your business based on your true north, based on your strength, based on your calling, based on your giftings, whatever happens in the niche, whatever adjustment you need to do with the niche, your business will survive. Your business will thrive. Your business will last. Okay? So, unlike the copycatting and the cookie cutter that is not stable, that is shaky, building your business based on your true north will allow you to innovate, will allow you to be creative, and will allow you to see potentials that is never seen before by other operators or other players in the industry. Life coaching is a very noble profession. I call it a miracle profession. And we've seen the growth of the business, we've seen the growth of the profession over the last, I personally see that over the last 8 years, and it's still here to stay. Life coaching is here to stay. It will continue to grow. It will continue to not just add value to what we do, but eventually we will get to see that it's the mainstream, okay, side by side with AI. So life coaching can give you not only financial security, not only financial confidence, but it would also lead you to building your legacy. So if you are thinking of starting coaching at this moment in time, and you're asking, do you still have a space? Are you not late? Then the answer is, you're perfectly on time. You're perfectly in the season where it's timely to jump in the second fastest growing industry in the world today, next to IT, because as the AI movement continue to escalate, continue to expedite its changes, movement, and all, more and more people are experiencing displacement. More and more people are looking for human interaction, and more people are interested to know what life coaching can do for them. So if you are one person and you're interested to know more about the profession, if you are interested to give this a try, give it a shot, start building your profession, start building your backup, or maybe start building something new, something you've never tried before, then I invite you to take a look at what we're doing in Life Coach Philippines International. You can check our website, www.lifecoachphilippines.com. You can also connect with us at 0939-919-2235 and get started. The Co-Actively Co-Create Life Coach Certification Program is an ongoing program and you can get started anytime, even right now. Okay, so there are two parts of the program. We have the online portion, which you have access unlimited for life, which you can start immediately. The other part of the program is the boot camp with me. It's a live boot camp, and either you take it online if you're coming from different parts of the globe, or you can take it also face-to-face, and we normally conduct it at B Cup Coffee Republic in our function hall, in our coaching hub. Now, if you have questions and you're still not resolved to get started in the profession, or maybe you are in the profession and you're not getting the traction yet, then do not hesitate. Give me a message, send me a PM. Let's have a conversation and know that help is available and you can get help. So our tribe is welcoming you, even if you're coming from different parts of the globe and you're coming from different organizations. You are welcome to join us. You are welcome to see how our tribe can help you thrive in the second fastest growing industry in the world today. Hashtag coaching. So this is Master Coach A. Thank you so much for joining me on episode 82. Tomorrow, I'll see you for episode 83.